In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a barcode on Stubhub. If you need to add a barcode to a ticket listing before your tickets sell, the process is pretty straightforward. The main thing to remember is that accuracy matters, because even a small typing mistake can cause problems later. So as you go through this, take your time and make sure everything matches your ticket exactly. To get started, sign into your Stubhub account. Once you're logged in, head to either My Tickets or Listings, depending on where your ticket listing appears in your account. Both areas are used to manage ticket activity, so just open the section where you can see the listing you want to update. Next, find the specific ticket listing that needs the barcode added. If you have more than one event or more than one listing, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. This is especially important if you're managing multiple tickets for different events, dates, or seat locations. Once you've located the right listing, click See Actions. This opens the available options for that ticket listing. From there, choose Enter Barcode. That will take you to the area where you can provide the ticket details needed for the listing. Now enter the seat number and the barcode exactly as they appear on your ticket. This step is very important. Be careful with every number and letter, and copy the barcode in the exact format shown. If your ticket includes similar looking characters, such as zeros and the letter O, or ones in uppercase I, take an extra second to confirm you're entering the correct character. Before saving anything, double check your entry to make sure there are no extra spaces, no missing characters, and no typos. Even one incorrect digit can make the barcode invalid, so it's worth reviewing everything carefully before moving on. If you copied and pasted any part of the barcode, it's still a good idea to scan through it manually to make sure nothing was added or removed by mistake. Once you've confirmed the seat number and barcode are correct, click Submit to save the barcode. After that, your listing should be updated with the new information. And that's all it takes to enter a barcode on Stubhub. As a final tip, try to complete this before your tickets sell so your listing information is already in place and ready to go.